Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you enjoy my calligraphy and handwriting videos. So today I am making a video how to improve your handwriting. First let me tell you something for me that there is no such thing as bad handwriting. It is a very individual personal expression. If you feel that your handwriting is not so good and needs to improve, you can improve this with extra practice. This video will definitely help you with it. Before beginning, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all updates of my videos. Now back to handwriting. To improve your own handwriting, first you need to start loving the process of handwriting. I personally love writing with hand over typing. Good handwriting always attracts the viewers and receives appreciation. In exams also, good handwriting definitely creates an edge over others. Now let's look at some simple tips you can implement to improve your handwriting. First, posture. When you sit to write, don't lean forward over the paper and don't sit upright. Sit in a comfortable position, keep your shoulders relaxed. Second, comfortable paper angle. Not straight or parallel to you, it should be a little slanted towards the left at a comfortable angle. There are no rules set, just be comfortable to write. If you are a left-handed person, the paper position will be opposite. And always remember to use ruled paper and not blank paper. Third, using the correct writing instrument. There are different types of pens available for writing like ball pen, gel pen, fountain pen and roller ball. You need to try different pens and figure out which one suits you the best. You need to check tip size to find out whether you like a fine tip or a medium or bold. Being a calligrapher, I personally prefer a fountain pen with a fine tip over a ball pen anytime. But it's a complete individual choice and based on comfort. Next point, grip. Once you choose an instrument, the important thing is grip. Your grip should not be too tight or too loose. Put the pen comfortably. Don't hold it too close or too far. Basically, get the angle of your pen before you angle your writing. Next, basic drills. Now you are set to begin writing practice. To improve your handwriting, practicing the basic drills helps a lot. Start with straight lines. You can draw lines between two notebook lines. Make sure the lines are straight and not curved. Initially, it can be difficult. You can use graph paper. Now, draw horizontal lines. Your hand and brain get used to drafting letters in a structured way. Even if you now have to write, practice these basic strokes. After horizontal lines, practice slanted lines. Try to draw lines parallel to each other. Don't be conjured and scared about your own handwriting. Don't press your pen too much, otherwise it will leave a mark on the back side of the page. The next drill is half round. Try both counterclockwise and clockwise strokes. Later these are made solely, so the more you practice, the more you will improve your handwriting. Now try full round, like this. It's the practice of these drills, your handwriting is a basic discipline. I'm sure your look will be more structured. Next point, letter formation and spacing. Start practicing by writing each letter on one line. Write both capital and small letters. The spacing plays an important role in good handwriting. When you write a word, make sure that there is equal space between the letters. Your word shouldn't be compressed or scattered. It should be uniform. The same can be applied to your sentences too. Spacing between your words should be even. Remember not to write too fast. Write with a steady speed. Next pointer, size of the letters. Size of your letter is another important aspect of handwriting. Your letter size shouldn't be too small or too big. It should be medium and suit your notebook lines. Also, it should be consistent throughout your writing. Angle and height. Whether you write straight or slanted, you need to maintain the same angle all the time. Tilted, uneven letters don't make a good impression. Don't stretch ascenders and descenders too much. It should be proportional to your letters. The next point, word connect to cursive. If you write in cursive, try not to join letters. There are chances that these connectors in your own writing look bad. Instead, you can write the independent letters. These small things are very simple to follow. If you start practicing it every day with these simple tricks and techniques, I'm sure you will see the improvement in your own handwriting. Get into the habit of handwriting at least one paragraph a day. To make everyday writing interesting, you can choose your favorite poem, etc., or start writing your daily journal, diary, notebook, so you can keep track of your own progress. Always remember to assess your handwriting from time to time. Be happy with your own writing and be patient. It won't happen overnight. Give it some time, keep practicing. And the last thing, always follow your style of handwriting and try to improve it. Be yourself and be confident. I hope this video helps to improve your handwriting. Keep practicing and happy.